Hello and welcome to Chris's Adventure! Okay, today I'm going to be hunting for magical wood elves. Ding, ding. Hello? Is there any magical wood elves present? Bum-bum. Bum-bum. I heard. You want some tea? Answer it! Yes. Yes,
okay,
you.
Come.
Please chew me.
Here. You see the teapots and the kettles? Now I'll turn around.
Gonna run.
Get back here, teapot! You
Oh my god. What is that? Bum.